Okay, today I'll be showing you an OS that is not Windows or Mac, no matter what it looks like. It's called Ubuntu, and it's from Linux. It's a free operating system, and it actually works out quite nicely. I like it, and I don't know if you're going to like it, but I'm going to show you a little bit about it. Come down here. This update manager, quite nice. It does have the pull-down menus of Mac, though. You notice applications. It's a pull-down. Got everything you need. Except there is a little problem with this if you're some of the fans of wanting to use Windows applications. You're going to have problems because you're going to have to find either a program that will work on both operating systems or just a copy, kind of a clone that will work on Linux. But otherwise, at first it's got pretty much almost everything you need installed. You have your open office, you have some sound and video things, you can burn, music player, rhythm box, sound recorder. Internet comes with Firefox already installed. It also comes with Internet Messenger already installed. And a BitTorrent client as well. Your graphics cards and such, your graphics things, some games here, quite a bit of games, some pretty games. Got some Tetris game here, and I'll let you figure this out if you want it. And there will be a link in my description for this video for Ubuntu. It's a free download. Got everything you need here. Password encryption already built in, and it's overall just a very nice looking program. It's something if you want an alternative to Windows, such as if you don't want to get Mac as well, because there's a little bit of a transition over from Windows to Mac. So I'll just show you some of the features in here, such as my computer. I am running this on a virtual machine, so it will be a little slow and laggy, because my actual computer I'm doing this on is not the best. But otherwise, it's pretty good. I think you got your file system, your system files. It's all pretty easy. The interface is quite user-friendly. I'm a fan of this, but I do run XP. It's also a nice thing if you want to switch over from XP to, since they're going to be getting rid of all the updates for it soon, and some of us don't want that to happen. And that'll mean we'll have to go to Windows 7 or Vista, and no one wants to do that. Pretty much, unless they have some kick-ass Alienware computer, which I don't think most people do have, unless they're hardcore gamers. If they're hardcore gamers, they wouldn't be watching this video about Ubuntu. Well, I'll be showing you some of the system things, some of the preferences you can change. It's got Bluetooth for if I'm using it on a laptop, so it's got that. It's got your Palm stuff built in. Startup applications, pretty much all the crap that you need. That's already in Windows. And administrative, got your system testing, system monitor, USB, and such. There's no access codes or anything for this program either, so you're not gonna have to be like, oh no, am I downloading this for illegally? No, you're not. So don't have any worry about it. I'm gonna take you for a little tour. A couple of things here. Let's go to the internet. Let's run this Internet Messenger here. Check how this works out. Got some time to load. If this isn't actually installed on your computer as its main OS, it will install faster than mine here because of the fact that I'm also using a Sun VirtualBox, which isn't, well, it's actually a really good thing. Oh, I see they don't have MSN here. Oh, yes they do. Okay, let's work this up here. I just did this on a friend's computer for a while ago. He's not too fond of it because he's a big Windows guy, but overall, you know, he should be pretty happy because he fucked up his computer in the first place, and I'm not actually, and he's not giving me any money to fix it either. So, no, let's work this up. Okay, let's see if this will work now. Available contacts. The little nice thing here, down in the corner here, it tells you can switch back and forth. I'm not very clear on how to do that myself because I haven't done it in a while. I haven't used a Linux product since Linux 2.4, but where did that go? Oh, I hit X on that. I'll take you to the internet. I'll show you some of the Linux things you can get for here. No, Firefox web browser. Yeah, quite a nice thing. And, you know, there is no viruses for Linux. There may be some, but very few because this is an underused operating system. I will give you some advice. If you're the kind of person who likes to download music, videos, pictures, files, anything from LimeWire, you may want to think about getting the virtual box from Sun, free, and downloading Ubuntu, downloading the ISO, loading it up into your virtual machine. I'll show you guys how to do that in another video, and creating a virtual machine. And you may want to think of getting the files out of there, because if you're doing that, you can't take the viruses out, because while you're downloading, the viruses will sneak in. And if you take them out, the viruses will be sitting on Ubuntu, but they won't know what to do because it's not a Windows thing, and they're designed for Windows. So it's just a little thing that not very many people know about, but if you know about it, it's a good thing. Let's go some Ubuntu applications here. Check out some Ubuntu apps, which you can get. Useful open source applications. I'm using Google because, well, I'm just like that. I hate loading. And here's our page with a bunch of Ubuntu apps. I believe this should pop up. Well, that's still loading a little bit. 30 seconds, I'll come down the middle. Here's a backup program, probably very nice. You can get LimeWire for this too. It's they just converted it over not too long ago. You got a bunch of movie editing programs, sketch programs here. Got some video applications. I'm not the biggest fan of waiting for shit to load. Oh, it's actually still working up on there. That's nice. See, it hides it up in the corner there with your name. So you don't have to worry about that. There's pedal gun here, but that already came with ours, with your Ubuntu. So it's a good thing. And you know, I'll suggest this this operating system for people who are the kind of people who just, you know, surf the web, you know, talk on MSN or whatever they want to use, look at some web pages, maybe type a little bit here and there. But this is not for those heavy users of a computer, like the people who are always on and downloading programs, burning DVDs, using torrents. This is not for them. you're gonna still you're gonna be wanting to use a Windows product. But overall, if you're just one of those light computer users, yes, I would advise you to use this, especially if you're a heavy web surfer, because of some of the viruses that are just hide in web pages. So, yeah, it's going to conclude this very short tutorial, if you would call it, of Ubuntu. Very short, very decisive, to the point. Talk about the good points. Simple as that. And this is Master Gazero signing off. I'll see you guys in my next video. My next video after this will probably be showing you how to set up a virtual machine using Sun VirtualBox. Simple as that. And I gotta get out of here.